This particular update pays you a minimum of $5 just for you to watch videos, watch very short videos and ads. Okay, just watch ads and get paid. Perform task. That's all. You get minimum of $5. You get another $15, $50, $100, up to $300, and you can even make even more. Guys, what more amazing thing do you want to see apart from this one? Just stay tuned to the end of the video. Don't miss any step. Now as you register, this is going to be your first login bonus. Okay, that is for using the link in the description of this video. So all right, my balance is going to be 58,000 coins, so I'm just going to click to claim it. Just click on OK to claim the bonus. All right, and you see this app is an entertainment app where you see latest movies. You can watch movies and you get paid. You get paid coins. All right, get paid coins. Or for the first time, you have to click on this. Click here. All right, and then you see you have to check in daily. All right, check in daily. For day 1 you get 800 coins, day 2 800, 900, day 3 just like that, and you have to be consistent. Okay, because if you miss a day, if you do day 1 they'll give you 800, day 2 they give you 800, and if you miss day 3 you're going to repeat from day 1 again. All right, so you need to be consistent, checking back to back, so that on day 7 you get 1,500 coins. All right, so that your coins will be accumulating. Now you click on check in now, so I'm going to click on check in right now. So I just clicked on check in and I'm checked in. All right, okay, so you need to watch ads, just a few. Let me pause this video. So after watching the ad, you claim your bonus. Okay, so the countdown is over, so just click on cancel and the check-in is complete. All right, to get another 2,591 coins you need to click here to watch another ad. All right, you click there to watch another ad. So this is how this particular company, this is how this particular platform earns their money. Okay, they earn their money from ads, from adverts, partnerships from brands. Okay, these brands that are advertising these things on their platform. All right, they are paying them. All right, they are paying them. This is how they are getting their revenue. So by watching these ads you are helping to boost their revenue. Okay, and that is how they are going to also pay you a little commission in form of coins. Okay, to reward you for supporting them. All right, so other things you need to do on the app, there are other things you need to do on this app. All right, which includes clicking on this for you to watch videos. Click on for you to watch videos, click on it, and anytime you watch videos, there are videos that will be showing for you. Right, you watch these videos and you click here to claim. See, click here to claim your rewards. Right, while you're watching it you see rewards, just click and claim it. All right guys, that is how you earn on Phone TV app. Now you go to your profile. If you want to withdraw, you see, if you want to withdraw, you see the value of your coins here. All right, for my own I have just 93,000 coins within just a few minutes. Because I used an invitation link, I was able to get extra 30,000 coins in addition to my login bonus, my first login bonus, and other tasks that I performed. Okay, I was able to get 0.09, almost like 0.1. all right, and minimum withdrawal here is $5. So let's click on this withdraw first. Let's click on withdraw. You see, they say $5 is the minimum withdrawal here. All right, people are withdrawing. Okay, if you get up to 5,125,000 coins you get your $5. And it's very simple guys. You need to go out there and refer your friends, perform task, refer your friends. Okay, I always tell you guys, anytime there is any free update, don't sleep on it. Make sure you loot. If possible, find a way to loot. Money has to be made. You need to loot. Okay, don't sleep on it. Don't wait and watch every other person pack the money and then you'll be like, these things are not working. Don't wait until it cast. Don't wait until this update is outdated. Okay, now that it's still fresh, you need to key into it and make your money. All right, this $5, $15 is not hard. You need to maximize this thing. So that brings us to the end of this particular episode, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments and I'll attend to it. Okay,